you want to see something really pretty? This is my Syngonium Aurea. Gorge. Look at that little spot of green there. Oh, there's a little bit up here too. Absolutely beautiful that is. Obviously I'm joking, but thankfully I do have a propagation from this plant that looks a lot better. And I'm keeping this because I'm gonna pot it up in here and I'm gonna cut this up. So then hopefully we'll get some different growth points on here and it'll bring back like a normal looking plant, like it's meant to look. There's something on the screen, I thought it was on my shirt, that's funny. I'm so silly. But I think I'll plant this one on like the back side here somewhere. I'll figure it out. I've got to go dig a bit of a hole here and we'll see what happens. Let's get you into a better angle so you can sort of maybe see what's going on down here. So my plan is to get this doohickey here. What are they called? What are these called? Spade, possibly, probably. And I'm just gonna start digging a hole here. This is what I fear would happen. I've never done this before in my life this way. Usually I would just repot the whole thing, but I don't want to do that. This is not a very chunky mix. I can tell that it's still really wet and it's been 9 days since it was watered. Goodness me. But hopefully having 2 plants in here, it'll soak it up a lot more. This must have been from back when I knew nothing about plants, this mix. So I'm going to tip this in here. Actually, I don't know what I'm doing. As you can tell, I'm winging this as I do it. I just need to get the plant out and I'm trying to leave as much soil in the pot as I can right now. Oh my God, let's just commit. All right. So with this, I want to sort of take note of which direction the plant is growing in. Editing me will zoom in, but you will see that the growth point is here, which means the aerial roots are going to start coming from that direction, hopefully. So that's going to be touching the pole like so, and then the rest of this is just going to go back in. It's a Syngonium, you know, like they will grow in absolutely no conditions. Was that English? I am going to get a little clip here and attach it so it will definitely grow against the pole, like so. Do you know the irony of having a plant business? I don't like getting dirty. So that looks good, right? I think so. And now I'm just gonna make some snips on this side too. And I'm at a point where like, I don't care if the plant dies because look at it. So I'm just gonna literally cut up every node that's attached and see what happens in the future. This whole stem up here is just pure white. I'm gonna leave that actually because I don't think anywhere else down here is fully attached except for right down the bottom. So we're just gonna leave the plant as it is right now. But anyway, I'll check back in on a few months and we'll see how I go on with this one. Hooroo.